Hello, my name is Manish Kumar. I am from Gaya, Bihar. I have completed my graduation in information technology. After completed my graduation, I looking a job in IT field, but I was not available to find a job in IT field. So one my friend suggested me join Evision Technologies Private Limited. Then I am joining Evision Technologies Private Limited. I am completed 45 days. Then again attend interview and then placed in Netweb Technology India Private Limited. Evision team is helping me learning CCNA, window administrator, virtualization, networking, cybersecurity, etc. So thanks for learning in Evision team all member for help and support me. I suggest everyone if you're looking for a job in IT field, so join Evision Technologies Private Limited. Thank you.